Good afternoon. Welcome to OptionsTender. So we're doing something a little bit different. We're in the middle of FOMC reactions here, and we have the Fed announcement that just happened at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and at 2:30 will be the conference with Powell, and we should get more volatility from there. So what are we looking at game plan wise? So just to let you know, by the way, for our $4.99 members, you get intraday game plans and extra videos, individual stock analysis and stuff like that. So we went through this stuff earlier today, but now that we developed a little bit more time, I just want to show you what you would get being that additional membership. It also comes with the Discord trade alerts and the Cheddar flow data and the intraday public videos as well. So what we looked at earlier today, now that we developed, is we had our 5-wave move here, okay? We were oversold. All right, in the slow stochastic yesterday, right at the end, started to curl up, and we talked about, hey, we should get a bounce here. So at that point, we had this unfinished business. We talked about dark pools. Our most important level is 685.83. Now, what does that say? Today, we came in a little negative. It's like, oh, are we going to fall from here? Anything could happen, but again, we were oversold. And I said we should look for an overbought condition. It should happen really, really quick because we don't have a whole lot of room to work with, okay? And we had that buy signal on the slow stochastic. Now we're going to look for this to curve. It doesn't have to make it all the way to the upper end. It does have kind of a downtrend right here, so it could curl down from this point. But with this curling and this being overbought, and this is key, in bearish conditions where our histogram is still red. We're looking at, obviously, if we start to go higher, this is our key level. We still haven't tagged it. We missed it by 9 cents. And so here's our 5-minute. We talked about earlier today. We had, and just live in the Discord, I said this is a leading diagonal, possibly for 1, 2. And then we had wave 3 pulled back really, really far. And then we said that there's likely a wave 5 that should top out here at 65.83. Obviously, it can spike through. Anything can happen with FOMC. It's all about the closing. But I want to show that this is really the conditions. We can get deeper down as well. You get divergences, but we're not going to talk about all this stuff right here. We have some volume going in. You always start the day off with the volume, the other indicators here. But if you're interested, I'll go through all these things each and every day as we get our game plan through and what we expect, our expectations for the day. And our expectations at this point is 685.83 key level. Get above it, no wicks, stay above it. Get the crossover, green histogram crossover. Now we got to start looking for bullishness. Now we do have our hedges. And I think we talked about this yesterday in the public video. We had our hedges, to 696 by Friday. I also have 675 plays for Friday and swings after that point to the downside. We are short. And same thing for QQQ. These are the options expected moves. I give these out to you for those $5 members. Okay, here's 613 on the downside. We have those puts for Friday, and we have 637.84. We have that strike price to the upside for hedges. Okay, so that's what we do here, and I just want to get this short video out. There's nothing more to look at. Nothing's changed on the daily time frame, so we want to make sure that we get this video for you so you can perhaps join us in the Discord, join us as membership. We will see you tomorrow.